Hey Flower Tribe, it's Kelly and Sheldon Lehman, and we're here today to show you some of the beautiful roses and hydrangeas that the fine folks from Proven Winners have sent us. And I want you to pay attention to how beautiful they came out of the boxes when we first took them out. I love the way that Proven Winners ships their plants because they make sure that they put a little bit of plastic around the top to make sure that all the dirt doesn't fall out of, the pots en route. And so we took that plastic off. You want to make sure you do that right away so that your plants don't get too hot or, they don't get baked. And I mean, check out these roses. This is how they came out of the box. I mean, there's beautiful, beautiful blooms on them. The hydrangeas were also super healthy coming out of the box. Sometimes other companies will ship plants and they'll be very scarce on leaves and they'll be dried out, but these are spectacular looking. I mean, look how fresh they are. They're nice and lush and they're super happy coming out of the box. We wanted to make sure that we got them out of the boxes as soon as possible because if they stayed in the boxes too long, they would not be this happy. So whenever you get plants shipped to you, make sure that you get them out of the box, preferably on the first day. And then we unloaded them onto the back of the golf cart, and this is what they look like. I mean, they're spectacular. Look at these blooms. We want to make sure that these plants stay happy and healthy as we're getting them ready to go into the ground. So we're going to hydrate them. We're going to give them a really good shot of water at the base of the plant. And we're going to make sure that the roots are hydrated, the whole plant is hydrated, and they're going to go into the ground super happy and healthy. Here's a little info on these roses. They're called Oh So Easy Peasy. They are going to be between 2.5 to 3.5 feet tall, so they don't get too large. And they're going to bloom all summer into the fall when you first get those, like those frosty temperatures. I wanted to show you the memorial rose garden that I planted in honor of my mom, and Proven Winners provided the majority of the roses here. So the taller ones are the double red, oh so easy blooms. Same thing, they bloom all summer long into the fall. They are profuse bloomers, as are the oh so easy peasies that are on the bottom. They're a little bit smaller, and we made sure we got them in the ground at least 6 weeks before the ground froze to make sure that they were happy going into the winter. We also got the hydrangeas in the ground right away. We made sure that we dug the hole wider than the pot so the roots had a chance to expand in the dirt easily. And this is what these flowers look like. They are cascading stems and there's flowers on the entire length of the stem. The name of this hydrangea is Fairy Trail Bride, and they grow to about 4 feet tall and 4 feet wide. So one more shot of the rose garden, all put to bed. This is what my roses look like at the end of fall, and I wanted to let you know that I apply wood mulch to both my roses and my hydrangeas at the end of fall. Thank you so much for joining me in this video, and please feel free to hop on over to my Cranberry Fields Instagram page to say hi. Please also find us on TikTok under Kelly Lehman Flowers, and also know that I made a whole bunch of podcasts for you. And please say hi to us over on my Kelly Lehman's Flower Tribe Facebook group, because there's thousands of gardeners from all over the world, and they're asking and answering loads of garden questions over there. And please let me know where you're viewing this from in this great, big, beautiful world. I love to see how our Flower Tribe is growing around the globe each week. And I will see you guys in the next video.